హాయ్.
హాయ్ అమ్మా, నా మాట వినపడుతుందా?
క్లియర్ గా నేను
Okay.
కనబడుతున్నానా?
పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా కనబడుతున్నావు. ఈజ్ మెయిన్లీ an attempt to document our conversations. Sharing it with the world is just a secondary objective, but the main objective is that we can document and remember that we had these conversations with each other, and it will be
Yeah.
obviously a great memory to look back at, even for me and Raga koda. So I think that's my main attempt here. You can talk a little bit about what are the factors that you work on every day as a metaphysical counselor and as a life coach. What are the things that what your work revolves around?
ఎలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్ ఎవరికున్నా ఐ విల్ టీచ్ దెమ్ హౌ టు థింక్ ఇన్ అ సర్టన్ వే టు చేంజ్ థింగ్స్ ఇన్ దేర్ లైఫ్. అవర్ థింకింగ్ హ్యాస్ అ లాట్ టు డూ, ఇన్ ఫ్యాక్ట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ టు డూ విత్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇన్ అవర్ లైఫ్.
Right.
So we have been thinking since we were in the womb of our mother. So you can imagine how many thoughts we think every day, and everything we encounter because of our everyday transactional life, everything is also connected with how we think and what are our thoughts. So it's not some attitude that I'm trying to change. It
Right.
is the minute belief system that has been formed due to whatever life experiences or perspectives or whatever we go through. With very I have to be very compassionate, non-judgmental about things, and then I take them through. First of all, I have a narration therapy, first 2-3 sessions where they narrate everything about themselves, and in that narration therapy I sort of get to the point of how they generally think, what are their patterns of thinking, and how I can how it is connected to what they are going through.
Okay.
So for example, I'll give you a very small example. Somebody recently came to me saying, నా దగ్గర అసలు డబ్బులు నిలబడవు. సో ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ టు డూ. అస్సలు నిలబడవు అంటే నేను అసలు సేవ్ చేయలేను, నాకు అది కంపల్సివ్. నా దగ్గర డబ్బులు ఉన్నాయంటే నాకు ఏదో ఖర్చు పెడతాను, ఖర్చు అయిపోతుంది అనేది ఇట్స్ నాట్ సమ్ ఫేట్. నేను ఖర్చు పెట్టేస్తాను, అండ్ దట్స్ అ బిగ్ డీల్ విత్ మీ అండ్ మై వైఫ్, అండ్ వీఆర్ లైక్ కాన్స్టెంట్లీ ఫైటింగ్ అబౌట్ ఇట్. ఇది చాలా చాలా దూరం వెళ్ళిపోయింది, ఏం చేయాలో నాకు నేర్పగలరా? So the thinking pattern, when I started understanding what is his general thinking pattern, how does he think around money, around properties, around saving, his basic belief comes from డబ్బులు ఉంటే ప్రమాదం, ఉండకూడదు. So it comes from the family system, his father was like that. డబ్బులు ఉంటే ఖర్చు పెట్టాలరా, జాగ్రత్త పెట్టడం ఏం కాదు అని, అలాంటి దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్. అండ్ ఇవాళ ఉన్నాయి రేపు ఉండకపోవచ్చు, ఎంజాయ్ చేయ లైఫ్. ఇట్లాంటి యాటిట్యూడ్స్తో అసలు డబ్బులు వస్తే చాలు ఖర్చు పెట్టేయడం అనేది ఒక న్యాచురల్ టెండెన్సీ అయిపోతుంది. యూ వోంట్ ఈవెన్ నో దట్ యూర్ డూయింగ్ ఇట్.
Right.
So that is the kind. So that is where I sort of teach them how to convert. Of course, the actual learning takes some time, some సెషన్స్. అదేంటంటే స్లోగా వాళ్ళని ఎలా థింక్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళకి ఆ బిలీఫ్ ఎలా వచ్చింది. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఒక బిలీఫ్ క్రియేట్ అయింది అనగానే ఆ బిలీఫ్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ అయిందో తెలియగానే మనకి ఒక అవేర్నెస్ వస్తుంది. సో ఆ అవేర్నెస్ తో ఐ గివ్ దెమ్ టూల్స్. జనరలీ నీకు తెలుసు కదా, రైటింగ్ టూల్స్ ఇస్తాను. బికాస్ రైటింగ్ టూల్స్ ఏంటంటే డైరెక్ట్ గా మన సబ్ కాన్షియస్ మైండ్ లో ఎంబోస్ చేసినట్టే ఒక మాటని. సో ఇప్పుడు మీరు చదువుకుంటున్నప్పుడు నేను చెప్పేదాన్ని కదా, రాసుకోండి, ఒక్కసారి రాసుకుంటే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది,
రిజిస్టర్ అయిపోతుంది.
సో అలాంటి రిజిస్టరింగ్ ఆఫ్ న్యూ థింకింగ్ ప్యాటర్న్స్ చేయించి ఓల్డ్ థింకింగ్ ప్యాటర్న్స్ ని రిలీజ్ ఎలా చేయాలో వాటికి కూడా టూల్స్ ఇస్తాను. సో స్లోలీ ద హోల్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇస్ వెరీ వెరీ న్యాచురల్ అండ్ వెరీ ఆర్గానిక్.
So you're saying everything boils down to a thought. That's the concept that I have grown up learning.
Yes.
So
yes,
it's not something that was new to us, or it was not something introduced to us as a concept. That is what it was a lifestyle for us, that as the way we change our thoughts, our patterns and our beliefs and everything around the experience will also change eventually.
So
it was a way of life for me. So it does not come new to me or as a surprise to me because I've grown up
Yeah.
that way in the household.
Yes,
But
yes.
for people who are listening now and who are completely new to the concept, it must definitely be like మనం డైరెక్ట్ గా దూకేస్తున్నాము అని, బట్ a very simple and a peripheral and the most relatable topic that we can start with our conversations with mom very first episode. I would like to start with my very favorite and my most favorite topic, that is abundance. I know that this is spontaneous for both of us, and being on the questioning side, I don't think it will be much difficult for me, but for answering side, I would like you to be as open and as because I have not prepared you or asked you any questions before. I would like you to be just having a conversation with me. Tell me what you think, and I'll just shoot some points here and there and questions. So
Ask me anything.
Sure. Okay. So
Yeah.
the first question would be, what is abundance?
I'll say very simple terms. Abundance is almost equal to comprehension.
Okay.
How much you can comprehend with is the level of abundance that you can ever have.
Okay.
So now you may say, comprehension అంటే ఏంటి, ఆలోచనలు అలా అంత కాంప్రహెన్సివ్ ఆలోచనలు ఎలా తీసుకురావాలి, మనకు ఉంటాయి కూడా. డిఫరెంట్ ఏరియాస్ లో మనం కాంప్రహెండ్ చేసుకుంటాం. లైక్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ somebody can comprehend with a crore of rupees in their bank balance. Let us talk money, because generally abundance ante money ani first thought వస్తుంది కనుక I'm giving you an example from
So comprehension, by comprehension you mean possibility. ఓకే, ఇంత నేను నమ్మగలను, ఇంత పాసిబుల్ నా లైఫ్ కి అని నేను నమ్మగలను అనేది కదా కాంప్రహెన్షన్.
పాసిబిలిటీ కన్నా కూడా it is much more than possibility. See, I can comprehend means I'm comfortable with the thought of having a crore of rupees in my bank balance.
Right.
So if I tomorrow you tell me, Mama, I'm sending you 10 crores, just రాగానే చెప్పు బ్యాంక్ లో పంపిస్తున్నా, the first thought will be, my God, 10 crores అంటే ఏంటి, రమ్య ఏం చేస్తుంది, is she looting a bank? That is how at least for me, I mean, I'm talking personally, నాకు అలా ఉంటుంది. ఇంకొకరికైతే అసలు 10 crores అనేది they can't even think. But for some people, okay, 10 crores, okay, I'll tell antaru. That for them, it does not bring, I mean, it does not they don't miss a beat, or they don't have this gasp or anything like that. It's just comfortable. Abundance, koncham unte challe, abundance akkarledu. There are so many people who talk like that, but they don't realize they have abundance of different kinds in their life.
Yeah.
Somebody is abundant with love. You are one epitome of that. Daddy always used to say, Ramya is always in abundance of love. She's like pouring out. It's like always pouring out. So how can you compare it with other kinds of abundance? So everything is abundance. Right. Whatever you can comprehend with is abundance. So ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే, ఇందులో చాలా మంది కాంప్రహెన్షన్ అవసరం లేకుండా కూడా కొంతమంది అబెండెంట్ గా ఉంటున్నారు కదా. అంటే ఇప్పుడు నాకు బోల్డ్ అంత ప్రాపర్టీ పైనుంచి దిగొస్తుంది కదా, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒకళ్ళకి. సో హౌ దే మే నాట్ బి కాంప్రహెండింగ్, బట్ వాళ్ళకి ఇల్లు, క్యాష్, డబ్బులు, నగలు అన్ని వస్తాయి కదా, వాళ్ళ విషయం ఏమిటి? All these doubts are something that my clients ask me.
How rich people anyway get them, right?
Inheritance
ఆస్తులు ఉంటాయి, ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ లో వస్తాయి, ఎవరో రాసి పెడతారు.
చూడు, నువ్వు చాలా ఫ్యామిలీస్ లో చూస్తావు, ఒక 5 సంతానం ఉన్నారనుకో, అంటే ఈ రోజుల్లో కాదు, ఈ రోజులో 1-2, కానీ జనరల్ గా 5 సంతానం ఉన్నారనుకో, లేకపోతే 3 సంతానం ఉన్నారనుకో, అందులో ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళకి ఇట్ మే సో హ్యాపెన్ దట్ హీ లూజెస్ ది ప్రాపర్టీ, or as soon as it comes, it sort of just goes away, drains away for some reason, either sickness or their carelessness or whatever. Sometimes he or she also experiences other family members who cheat them.
Right.
See, so it's not true that possible. Inheritance, very possible. Most of the civil cases in the courts are all about that.
Yeah.
So how come somebody cannot comprehend with something coming from the top. So many different reasons. They may, I had a client who hated his father, and eventually he also hated everything that comes from him. So when it came, his wife became so sick, he had to spend all the money that came to him to just treat her. And he was telling, I'm happy, at least I could treat her. But then I said, are you thankful? That is the whole thing. You have to comprehend, nakala enduku ayindi anukunte, then so it's not true that just because you are inherited money, you will actually enjoy that money.
Yeah.
సో ఇలాంటి చిన్న చిన్న నౌన్సెస్ వల్ల మన బిలీఫ్ సిస్టమ్ లో ఉండే మన బిలీవ్స్ అబౌట్ అబండెన్స్ వల్ల డిఫరెంట్ పీపుల్ కి డిఫరెంట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ వస్తాయి.
Okay. For a person who would probably be just a new mom or a mom of a teenager, I would not just say ఇప్పటికిప్పుడు సడన్ గా ఇట్స్ నాట్ అ వన్ డే ఓవర్ నైట్ టర్న్ కాదు కదా. సో చైల్డ్హుడ్ నుంచి ఎలాంటి ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ వల్ల మీకు అబండెన్స్ అనేది బిలీవ్ చేయడం మొదలు పెడతాం మనకి ఇంత ఉంది ఇంకా వస్తుంది అనేది? హౌ విల్ వీ స్టార్ట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సింగ్ దట్ ఓకే నాకు ఇంత మనీ ఉంది ఇంకా రాగలుగుతుంది, ఆర్ నాట్ జస్ట్ మనీ, అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ ఏరియాస్ ఆఫ్ అబండెన్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా. సో వాట్ ఏరియాస్ ఆఫ్ అబండెన్స్ కెన్ వీ స్టార్ట్ విత్ వెన్ వీఆర్ స్టార్టింగ్ యాజ్ మామ్స్ ఆర్ యాజ్ పేరెంట్స్ ఇన్ ద హౌస్?
Hey, you cannot directly work on I am going to now think about abundance.
Right.
I am now going to think abundant thoughts. I will affirm everything and everything will start happening. It does not. Now many people tell me, oh, law of attraction ante I keep thinking అయిపోతుంది అన్నాడు కదా, ఏం అవ్వలేదు. అవ్వదు. ఎందుకంటే మన నాట్స్, సో మన యాంటీ అంటే యూటర్న్ థింకింగ్ ఉంటుంది కదా. అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, if I'm thinking I could have a big house, but where will the money come from? You are taking a U-turn whenever you are saying but. Right? So పిల్లలకి పాసిబిలిటీ థింకింగ్ చూపించాలి.
ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు యు సీ చిల్డ్రన్ అరౌండ్ 10 years లోగా పిల్లలందరూ కూడా న్యాచురల్ అబండెంట్ థింకింగ్ తో ఉంటారు. వాళ్ళు ల్యాక్ థింకింగ్ తో ఉండరు. అందుకే ఇంకొక విషయం చెప్తున్నా కదా, నేను ఒక కపుల్ కేమ్ టు మీ విత్, ఓ మై గాడ్, ఇఫ్ we don't have children. Okay. Now they don't have children because one of the spouses is like very scared that if I have child, I will have to afford a child. You understand? So affordability of having a child, తర్వాత స్కూల్స్ వస్తాయండి, తర్వాత వాళ్ళకి బట్టలు కొనాలి, వాళ్ళ హెల్త్ ఇష్యూస్ అన్నిటికీ డబ్బులు ఖర్చు అవుతాయి. సో యు సీ ద పవర్టీ థింక్, దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ ఐ కాల్ పవర్టీ థింకింగ్. ఈ పవర్టీ థింకింగ్ అంటే for anything you have a reason why you are justifying not having it.
Okay, first of all లేకపోవడం, దాని మీద ఇచ్చుకోవడం.
సో ఇప్పుడు పిల్లలకి మనం చాలా సార్లు వెరీ సింపుల్ థింగ్స్ ఇస్ షుడ్స్ యూజ్ చేయడం యాజ్ ఫార్ యాజ్ పాసిబుల్
తగ్గించుకోవాలి.
లైక్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, యు షుడ్ నాట్ డూ ఇట్, యు షుడ్ నాట్ టాక్ లైక్ దాట్, యు షుడ్ నాట్ బీ లైక్ దాట్, you should not eat so much. You can see our life is full of shoulds. So our language with them, the way we talk to them is an emoting thought, right? మనం ఏం ఆలోచిస్తామో దాన్ని మనం ఇమోట్ చేసినప్పుడు మన థాట్ ఇమోటింగ్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ అవర్ లాంగ్వేజ్. ఒక లాంగ్వేజ్ యూజ్ చేసి మనం ఇమోట్ చేస్తాం. సో ఈ ఇమోషన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఇమోటింగ్ ఆఫ్ అ థాట్, of a poverty thought, should, why is it that it's a poverty thought? Because should comes from there is no other go for you, right? But there are, isn't it?
Yeah, there is.
The child will say there is always choice. So you have to tell your child, if you wanted to, you could be a better behaving person. So what are you doing there? You are giving a possibility thinking. So should అనగానే వాళ్ళ this is what you do or you are not accepted in this area అనేది మన మెసేజ్. It's not acceptable అనేది. సో అక్కడ మనం పాసిబిలిటీ చూపించట్లేదు. బట్ వెన్ యూ సే ఓకే యూ కుడ్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంటెడ్ టు యూ కుడ్. సో సో ఒక womb లోనే నేర్చుకుని వచ్చిన బేబీ పైన బయటకు వచ్చాక థాట్, కమ్యూనికేషన్ అన్ని టూల్స్ మనం నేర్పాక ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ క్రిమినల్ టు టెల్ దెమ్ దట్ దేర్ ఆర్ షుడ్స్ ఇన్ లైఫ్. So give them a possibility. If you can, you could, if you wanted to. You could earn my respect if you wanted to. So it is there are so many messages in that one could statement. If you wanted to, you could behave better, and you're giving them the possibility that you are having the potential of doing it.
Yeah, you can be a good person without being forced to be one. You can still be a good person.
Exactly, and there is always a choice. Any day you can change.
Yeah,
change is a wonderful, easy process. You're teaching so many things.
Another point that I remember, and I would also like you to elaborate a little bit on, is how very simple abundances like ఎవ్రీడే హౌస్ హోల్డ్ లో ప్యాంట్రీ ఫుల్ గా ఉండడం, ఫ్రిడ్జ్ ఫుల్ గా స్టాక్ అయి ఉండడం, కూరగాయల షాప్ కి మమ్మల్ని తీసుకెళ్లి ఆ అబండెన్స్ ఆఫ్ లాట్స్ ఆఫ్ వెజిటబుల్స్ అండ్ లాట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రెష్ ఫ్రూట్స్, ఆ పాసిబిలిటీ దట్ యూ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ యాక్సెస్ టు దట్ అనేది నువ్వు యూస్ టు ఆల్వేస్ కీప్ షోయింగ్ అస్, రైట్? అండ్ tell me the value of that and what value it is to parents and to kids, and how it influences the way they grow up with a lot of abundant thoughts.
Yeah, there are many beautiful lessons that we teach the child.
Yeah.
So you take them to a vegetable market and they'll really like something. For example, they really like capsicum. Okay. So their tendency will be, let us take 1 or 2 kgs of capsicum.
Yeah.
You will see even women doing it as grown-ups. There are many grown-ups who have this feeling of, if I don't take it now, I will be in lack of it. While I have the chance, let me grab it. So there are some pantries which are so full, and then most of the things just go for a waste because they get spoiled. So there are many lessons children learn in that. How much money we are spending on groceries, how much is it? So when they have an idea about these things, that abundance is not only about things in multiples. Abundance is also about knowing the need of a certain thing and keeping it ready for that time. So if your pantry is too full and you're not able to maintain it properly, then you should know how much to buy so that it does not get rotten.
Right.
So remember, I used to tell you, you would love pesaluto ఏం చేసినా, right? So I would tell you, no, too much of pesalu కొనుక్కుంటే they get spoiled very quickly. So we should buy little and use it and then go back. Ade kandipappu and all I used to buy in bulk. So you people used to know what I'm doing. Right. So I suggest parents, see, lot of times parents come to me saying quality time enti pillalto. What do you mean by quality time? Right. Abundance of quality time ante, first of all, the quality is for you, not for the child. Equality ante quality teaching of comprehension. I can comprehend of buying the whole vegetable market, but do I? What I need telustundi, what we have telustundi, there is enough for everybody telustundi. But I hope you remember also that I used to buy some vegetables, leafy vegetables and all for the people standing outside.
Right.
The people who always are needy and they can't buy and all that. So I would buy a small packet and give it to them. Remember that?
Yes.
So that kind of things you do in front of the children. Just imagine the kind of abundance you are teaching them. The thankfulness of, I can go and buy what I want. And also there are people who are not having even 1/4 of what I am having today. Right. Now what kind of abundance are we talking about? A rich thinking. We are teaching in each of these activities. I don't even call them activities. These are everyday transactions that teach children about abundance. things about comprehension, and how our comprehension should be used in the right way.
Let me ask you this when we are on the same line of topic, that the way we used to always have at least an extra half cup of rice cooked. It would never be that cooker ఖాళీ అయిపోయింది or కూర అయిపోయింది complete గా or సరిపోయింది perfect గా. That was never the case, because I remember how even dad or me, we were mostly the foodie people of the house, as you remember. We would always look at how much was in the dish while we were eating with our plate. So అక్కడ ఎంత ఉంది అనే దాన్ని బట్టి అవర్ మైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఓకే సరిపోతుందో లేదో మిగిలిన వాళ్ళకి అనే థాట్ నా లైఫ్ లో నేను ఎప్పుడూ చూడలేదు. ఐ నెవర్ సా దట్ ఐ హ్యాడ్ టు వరీ అబౌట్ పక్కన వాళ్ళకి సరిపోతుందా లేదా. సో ఒక హాఫ్ కప్ ఎక్కువ వండుకోవడం ఆర్ ఎప్పుడు అవసరం కంటే కొంచెం ఎక్కువ చేసుకోవడం. వాట్ ఈస్ ద we of course had that conversation long before once, and that is why I want to bring it here. What is the science or the thought behind that కరెక్ట్ గా సరిపోయేంత వండుకోవచ్చు కానీ అయినా ఇంకొంచెం ఎందుకు వండుకుంటున్నాం?
Okay, this is again in every area, that is about comprehension, right? Only, of course, I will also mention here that it is because of God's grace and the privilege that we have in our life.
Yes.
I'll use an example of studies.
Okay,
that's a better example. పిల్లలు ఒక అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ స్టడీ ఇంత సేపు చదువుతాను, ఇంత సబ్జెక్ట్ చదువుతాను అనేది ఏదైనా మనం పెట్టామనుకో, దాన్ని స్ట్రెచ్ చేయడం. So when I do sessions with kids like 9th, 10th, 11th, they are like having so much pressure and how to do. So I teach them how to comprehend that I can do more in less time.
Okay.
లెస్ లో ఇంకొంచెం ఎక్కువ ఎలా చదువుకోగలను, కెన్ ఐ డూ ఇట్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నేను ఎంత సబ్జెక్ట్ అసలు చదవలేను అనే యాటిట్యూడ్ తోనే పిల్లలు పాపం దే ఫీల్ వెరీ ప్రెషర్డ్. వి స్టార్ట్ ఇట్ హ్యాపెన్స్. దీంట్లోనే స్ట్రెచ్ అంటే ఆ స్ట్రెచ్ ఎందుకు, ఆ స్ట్రెచ్ చేసినప్పుడు మన మైండ్ మన కాంప్రహెన్షన్ లెవెల్ కూడా స్ట్రెచ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ అడ్వకేటింగ్ టు వేస్టింగ్ దట్ ఫుడ్. మన ఇంట్లో ఫుడ్ వేస్ట్ అయ్యేది కాదు, మళ్ళీ మధ్యాహ్నం ఇంత మీరు ఆడుకోవడానికి వెళ్ళే ముందర ఇంత కలిపేసి ఐ యూస్ టు
అమ్మమ్మ అయితే ఆకలేస్తున్నా మళ్ళీ పచ్చావకే కలిపి పెట్టేది.
సో all these things we will do. I'm not advocating wastage of food, but this stretch is very important. How much I can do today.
It's just an example translating into many areas of our life where so much, like I've witnessed it so much in my life that now it became like a norm, like a simple, it's not something I have to do with an effort. It's effortlessly one natural way of first asking or offering something to somebody before we take it in, and before we do it, and donating to something or in a very small way probably. It doesn't come as a special activity in our life, it will become,
it becomes very organically you.
Yes, exactly. It becomes part of our personality.
Yes, here I would want to also mention here, Ramya, this also is true with or for leadership space, right? Where I have a wonderful client, I can't name her now, but yeah, she is like, why I'm calling her wonderful, because she told me నాకు అంచలంచలుగా పెరగడం అనేది చాలా ఇష్టము, అది మీతో నేను ఐఎమ్ ఏబుల్ టు డూ దాట్ అని. ఐ రియల్లీ అప్రిషియేటెడ్ హర్ సో మచ్. లైక్ అంచలంచలుగా అంటే యాక్చువల్గా డెఫినిషన్ ఏంటి అకార్డింగ్ టు మీ, అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఫర్ హర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ ఎవ్రీ డే అ లిటిల్ బిట్ మోర్ అనేది. She literally every day she shows me a little bit more than what she was yesterday, which is such a beautiful journey with her. I've been with her for last almost 7-8 years. She has been constantly coming to me, and believe me, I really feel that anchaluga ane a word e నాకు చాలా నచ్చింది ఆ phrase, because everything can be done like that. There is no dearth of for her success, abundance of success comes like that.
Right.
every day little stretch, you do a little better than yesterday. కొంచెం ఇంకొంచెం స్ట్రెచ్ చేయడం, ఇంకొంచెం పేషెన్స్, ఇంకొంచెం ఆలోచన, ఇంకొంచెం. Now Irish is very successful in her career thanks to her Anchaluga concept, and I really feel that I mean, she calls it
because it's more believable, even more believable for her. It's more possible for her that she takes a look at her yesterday and from today, and she finds that she has achieved something a little bit better, and which is something something that she can measure and something that she can look at as a proof that okay, there is a possibility. If I have come this far, I can go a little bit more tomorrow. So I think that's where possibility thinking still comes into place when you are in your maybe 25 30s also. So coming back to how we have different areas of abundance, I'd also like to ask you what is the main thought process behind deserving something? What is deservability on a peripheral level? If you can explain what it could be with an example.
Yeah, so deservability has a very big role play to play in our comprehension only. Again, asalu నేను ఏదైనా డిజర్వ్ చేస్తానా లేదా? If I've been told that you don't deserve something good, then if that is engraved in my belief system, you don't deserve, we do not deserve all that, we do not have, అంటే అంత లేదు మనకి. తెలుగులో నేను చాలా సింపుల్ వర్డ్స్ నేను ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తానంటే దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ పీపుల్ విల్ రిలేట్ విత్. ఇప్పుడు మనం అంటాం కదా, దానికి అంత లేదులే, నాకు అంత సీన్ లేదు. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద థింగ్స్ దట్ అవర్ సెల్ఫ్ స్క్రిప్ట్ is the biggest culprit of deservability. Our self script ante what we tell ourselves in a everyday matter. I mean, నేను నాకేం చెప్పుకోను, that is you do not know that you constantly speak to yourself constantly. So when people become aware of how they are speaking to themselves, నేను సెల్ఫ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ సెల్ఫ్ టాక్ మీద చాలా వర్క్ చేస్తాను, because what they tell themselves constantly is also going to become a very strong belief, right, which will rule them. So ఇలాగ వాళ్ళే చెప్పుకోవడం అది చాలా పెద్ద కల్ప్రిట్. యాక్చువల్లీ అదే పెద్దది. డిజర్వబిలిటీ హ్యాస్ అ లాట్ టు డూ విత్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ స్క్రిప్ట్. సో నేను నాకేం చెప్పుకుంటాను, నాకు ఇంతకన్నా లేదు, నాకు ఇంతే డిజర్వ్ చేస్తాను, నేను ఇంతే, నాకు ఇంత వస్తే చాలు. సింపుల్ థింగ్స్ లైక్ ఇదిగో మనకు అంత ఇది లేదు, మనం కావాల్సింది మనం కొనుక్కుని వెళ్ళాలి, ఇలా కూడా పిల్లలకి చెప్పడం. ఈవెన్ I mean when we are talking about
such things and they start buying into it,
they are like bringing down their comprehensive space. They are saying no, this is not possible for me, no, this is not right for me, oh, this is not something that I can ever think of. What are you doing? You're shrinking their ability of becoming a very open and abundance thinking person. So deservability has a lot to do with it, but deservability also has a lot to do with their past. చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి మనం ఎలా పెరుగుతాము, కంపేరింగ్, లేకపోతే బాగా అబ్యూజివ్ పేరెంట్స్, స్పెషల్లీ డిజర్వబిలిటీ లవ్ లో వస్తుంది. డూ ఐ ఈవెన్ డిజర్వ్ లవ్? ఇఫ్ సమ్ వన్ మిస్టేక్ వాళ్ళని హ్యూమిలియేట్ చేస్తే ఇంట్లో కానీ, కొంతమంది స్కూల్ విక్టిమ్స్ ఉంటారు, అంటే చిన్నప్పుడు చాలా హారిబుల్ పనిష్మెంట్స్. నౌ హారిబుల్ నాట్ ఫర్ యూ అండ్ మీ యాజ్ గ్రోన్ అప్స్, బట్ ఫర్ a 4-year, 5-year, 6-year, 7-year kid, it is the most life turning incident for them when they are insulted in a classroom or being beaten. It's very simple things which we think it's just simple. When the child comes home, or you will say నీవేదో తప్పు చేస్తుంటావు, అందుకే ఆవిడ అలా అంది, నువ్వు మాట్లాడు క్లాస్ లో.
ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ నేనేం చేసుంటాను అని ఫస్ట్ నన్ను నేను, దట్స్ ఆల్సో సెల్ఫ్ స్క్రిప్ట్, రైట్? సో ఐ వుడ్ హ్యావ్ ఆల్రెడీ రిటన్ a script inside for something that I haven't done before or I haven't done at all. So faulting yourself also starts at very young and tender age, where you don't know the difference between people who are supporting you and the people at home. So your own home and your own mother and father, the way they write your script in the beginning is how you're going to decide your script in the later years of your life.
Later years, yes. But there is also another part of this. There are mothers who say, if I don't correct my child, if my child has made a mistake, then how to do that?
Right.
So that is where you have to show the comprehension. You have to show the comprehension of trust and support, that no matter what, I am there for you. Even if you make a mistake, I am there for you.
Yeah.
Let us together correct it.
Right.
So, you could just go with the child to the school and ask her to apologize and say, I'm sorry, I shouldn't be doing this, I'm sorry, if the child is wrong. So you have to give this freedom to the child to tell you the truth.
Right.
So I always used to say, my children come home and tell me everything.
Yeah.
Good things, bad things. They have done blunders, they came home and told me.
Yeah.
They have done wonderful things,
No
they came
secrets.
home and told me. Yeah, no secrets. If you do not make mistakes, who will? We are human. So, we will make mistakes, but what do you do after that? How do you emote it to others? How do you go and what action will you take after that? So you teach your child to be apologetic for what they have done wrong, and also thankful for all the people who have helped him there. Just after the mistake, you tell them, you talk to them in positive way that there is a possibility to change yourself in this area.
Wow.
I should not hear this kind of warnings again. You are going to hear more warnings.
Right. Yeah.
And if you actually put your hand around the shoulder and say, hey, you know what? I also made some mistakes. Talk to them about your failures too. Tell them you failed in maths. I tell all the parents.
I will eventually have to tell Raga the truth.
Yes. So tell them that, you're much better than me. Sometimes you may have to even say that, but be real to them. Don't be, but to tell also to them that I was not scared because I had support. You tell me what support you need. So you are showing possibility, So do you need support? Are you having problems when you are angry? Are you having a problem in controlling it? It's okay, I'll help you. So that kind of conversations with your child will create a possibility thinking, which is abundance thinking.
That's actually something like a mindset that can be nurtured from the beginning of
Exactly.
Yeah. And exactly. I think Valakadi life lo it will become the most most inexpensive but the most important tool that they can use in every area of their life. The one way you can learn the possibility of being nice, possibility of having more, possibility of earning and deserving more, possibility of saying good things to yourself every day. There's a possibility of going to the future also. They same thing pass on goda avutundi then.
Yeah. But all these said, money is a different area. Money manam vere discuss chal, because money is a very tangible abundance, right? So dani meeda mana ideas mana abundance lekapodam lete mana abundance feel avakapodam, abundance unna feel avakapodam, or భయపడ్డము చాలా ఉంటాయి దాంట్లో. అసలు దట్స్ అ వెరీ కాంప్లెక్స్
basically financial abundance is a whole another topic that we can touch upon. What kind of deservability and what kind of suggestions of deservability and self script would you give to girls or women who are just about to reach the age of marriage, or who are interested in getting married, or who are looking for prospective grooms? What would you give? What kind of deservability tips would you try to give for them to turn their thoughts around?
Your thoughts of abundance have to be very clear to you. And nothing less can be acceptable. Right. So there again, deservability. What kind of people, what kind of life do I deserve? Abundance of love between husband and wife, abundance of attention, abundance of being there for each other. Just because you're married, people may not really feel looked after or taken care of. Abundance of love is something that what you give and what you get also. I would always say, what you do not want turns lo alochinchadu. what you want terms లో ఆలోచించాలి. నా వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ జనరలీ ఇస్ మన వాంట్స్ క్లారిటీ ఆఫ్ వాంట్ హ్యాస్ టు బి దేర్. మన వాంట్స్ అన్ని మన డోంట్ వాంట్స్ వెనకాల దాగి. So I always suggest all the people
like I don't want a man who was like that guy, or I don't want a man like my father, or I don't want a man who spends more, I don't want a man who is angry, I don't want a money minded man. So I don't want a person who drinks, who smokes. The list could go
on and on. For example, there is something that I do not want.
Right.
Okay. I keep looking at it and say, I don't want it. I'm not looking at what I want. Right. I'm constantly looking at what I don't want.
Yeah. And you're focusing,
so the universe will
growing.
Exactly. The universe will say, okay, I'm waiting. When she says what she wants, I'll give it to her. Law of attraction. So, no, of course, I mean, this is all again coachable issues, but some people have very deep issues of being stuck with I don't wants and not being able to come out. This I want list ni roju okkar chadivevanko. So they are like sort of, they're not replacing the I don't wants, but at least this is also another file being created in you, right?
Right.
So I wants చదువుతున్నప్పుడు నేను ఎలా ఆలోచించాలి అనేది కొంచెం అవేర్నెస్ వస్తుంది. If there are some things that why is it, then why I can think like this, why is it that I'm not able to think like that? Why am I stuck in that place? So I find out where they are stuck, and then from there the coaching starts. So I'll tell you where it comes. It's so surprising. All mother-in-laws are like that. See, your belief is that all mother-in-laws are like that.
Yeah.
And I don't want that. So double dhamaka on a negative
on top of it another
belief.
Yeah.
So how will you have a wonderful experience? First of all, you are only thinking so yourself.
Even if you get a good husband, your only focus will be I don't have a good mother-in-law. Even then you'll crib about the mother-in-law.
Exactly. Now what దీని వల్ల మదర్ ఇన్ లా చేంజ్ అయిపోతుందా ఏంటి అని అడగొచ్చు. See, these are all logical questions that many people ask me. That's why
that's true.
మదర్ ఇన్ లా చేంజ్ అవ్వదు, నీ కాంప్రహెన్షన్ లెవెల్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది.
Right.
So you will not be victim. See, the problem is I don't want ane statements anni I don't want to be the victim of an artham.
Yeah. Right.
So your mother-in-law could be one person who is like, but she won't be that to you because you are not thinking from that space. If you do not have clarity, get a paper and a pencil and write down. Clarity comes when you write it down. ఏ విషయంలో క్లారిటీ కావాలి, ఎలాంటిది కావాలి, బికాస్ వీఆర్ నాట్ ఫైటింగ్ అ న్యూ బ్యాటిల్. ప్లీజ్ అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్, రమ్య. వీఆర్ నాట్ fighting a new battle when we are suddenly getting into marriage. We are fighting our already recorded things.
Wow. Yes.
See, I don't want somebody like my uncle.
It starts
I don't want an abusive husband like my colleague's husband.
So I don't want a old baggage, regardless of how nice person or how of a good.
Exactly. You are not fighting a new battle. The problem is I am going to have a new life anukuntam. New life kaadu. You are already filled with a lot of what is bothering you, what your perspectives about things are. ఇప్పుడు నాకు చాలా బాగా ఉండేవాడు, లవ్ మ్యారేజ్ చాలా బాగా ఉండేవాడు, ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు ఉండట్లేదు? అరే నీతో మొత్తం డేలో ఒక 15 minutes 20 minutes ఒక 1 hour స్పెండ్ చేసేవాడు. సో హీ విల్ న్యాచురలీ డ్రెస్ అప్ హిస్ బెస్ట్, బీ హిస్ బెస్ట్, గివ్ హిస్ బెస్ట్. Same as you.
That's true.
But today you're living 24/7 with each other.
Yeah.
So you will see the other.
And the reality is that now you don't even expect that he dresses his best or he is being his best. I just want him to load the dishwasher. Our requirements will change with marriage.
Exactly. So ఇలాంటివి అంటే అబెండెన్స్ థింకింగ్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందంటే వెన్ యూ ఆల్రెడీ ఆర్ యాక్సెప్టింగ్
రైట్
అండ్ కాంప్రహెండింగ్ విత్ బెటర్ దాన్ టుడే. మనం అంచెలంచులుగా అక్కడ ఉంటాము అనే
Right.
నమ్మకం, దట్ ట్రస్ట్ దట్ ఐ నో we are going to be slowly there,
Yeah.
that kind of thinking has to come. ఒకళ్ళదొకళ్ళు కమ్యూనికేషన్ లో ఆనెస్ట్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ చేసుకోవడం, ఆనెస్ట్ గా మాట్లాడుకోవడం.
I want to ask you, what's the thought behind, what kind of thought we should have behind enjoyment and entertainment, even as a family, not just for kids purpose, but even as a family for us, stretching that thought and having a separate thought about that too, like having an idea of, okay, fun kuda we deserve, fun is also important, just like work,
Abundance of fun and
abundance of
happiness.
fun. So growth of abundance of fun, let's
Yes.
call it that.
Yes.
My
Growth of
it's my favorite
Ah.
term. So
that again, I know, because you love traveling like me.
Yeah.
So traveling part has come from me.
Yeah.
I have traveled
Totally,
as a kid.
yeah, totally.
I have traveled
And
as a
you
kid.
are the one,
My
I think,
parents-
encouraged daddy to start, driving and going anywhere in drive.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So we had lot of plans this year, but pandemic
Yeah,
stopped us.
so
Otherwise,
did we.
comes from, it need not be only traveling. We had that, as a family, collective consciousness of the family. This is what I call. As a family, you have to think consciously. You have to think of time spent together with joy.
Yeah.
Now, as a family together, what is it that you want to do? Where there is quality time spent, where there is learning, and where there is relaxation. Now, lot of people feel that మనం ఇప్పుడు ట్రిప్కి వెళ్తాము, ఊరికే తిరుగుతూ ఉంటాము, అందులో రిలాక్సేషన్ ఏముందండి, ఈ గుడి కానీ ఆ గుడి కానీ. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ వాట్ యూ కెన్ డూ అన్ యాక్టివిటీ with a little stretched out money, or
Yes.
time, space.
Yes.
See, abundance of time, abundance of space, everything is important.
Yeah.
So అలాంటిది కొంచెం స్ట్రెచ్ చేసుకుని do an activity once in a while.
Yeah.
As adults, give it to your children. And adults, give it to your parents.
Yeah.
Give it to your
Yeah.
parents. So for example,
because
whenever you
no matter
remember, we
how
have
busy
never
you
gone.
are, yeah, so because
Exactly.
no matter how busy you are, there is a possibility that you can stretch a little bit to have fun also. That also has a
Yes.
place in your life, is what I think that's a very important message to pass on to your children, especially in this kind of times where,
Yes.
lots of devices and lots of information bombardments happening on you. You can set out separate time just for fun, just to do nothing.
And money. And
Yeah.
money.
And money, to set out a little bit money aside so that you can just have some fun. You deserve to spend some money on fun too.
Yes. And create
No
some
agenda
great
in mind.
memories.
Right.
Abundance of great memories you're creating for your child. And
Yeah.
believe me, because if travel is my thing, I have made it a point to travel all the time. Whenever
Yeah.
there were holidays, we would think kahan jana hai. So it was our family thing.
Yeah.
But this could be anything. For many people, it is like one festival. The whole family comes together. They make
Yes.
sure they will go there. They will relax. Pakat adukuntaru. Every family has that,
Yes.
It's not that only some people. But that kind of thing is a very important part
Yeah.
for the children. For
Yeah.
somebody, it could be some adventure that relaxes their mind.
Yeah.
They would go for mountaineering. For me, it's trekking.
Yeah.
Now you may say, Manasarovar ellochavu alisipoyavu. I did not. I felt very
Relax.
rejuvenated.
Yeah.
My body was all tired. That's a different thing. But I felt very rejuvenated. So every trekking trip, I have felt very rejuvenated. Tiresomeness has nothing to do with that. How you feel inside is important. So remember, Dad is having vertigo, so I would go for all trekking
Yes.
trips myself.
Yes.
I've done all my trekking trips myself, around 10 or 15 trekking trips. I've done it all myself because it's me. I am interested. He is not interested. I have to respect that.
Yeah.
He wants to go to Banaras and stay for 9 days. I keep telling him, just go have fun, do it.
That's true. Yes.
So it's like you're not only about family, even individual self abundant relaxation and feeling that you when you are silent only you will feel yourself. So
Right.
that kind of
Right.
thing you have to do from time to time, even if it costs money, even if it
Yes.
costs time. You have to take those leaves from your office and go.
With the first episode, we will be branching out into a lot of topics, and I
Yes,
think we'll
yes.
have a lot of questions from people too, and then our viewers can give us some ideas too on what all
Yes,
topics we
yes.
can talk about. You're not
I'm
juggling.
not juggling. Let me tell you, this is also abundance.
Mm.
I will want to have one full episode given to time, because మనకి జనరల్ గా కాన్షియస్నెస్ చాలా వాటిల్లో కాంప్రహెన్సివ్ గా ఉన్నా నా దగ్గర తక్కువ టైం ఉంది అనుకోవడం అనేది చాలా నార్మల్ బిలీఫ్ ఇన్ పీపుల్. నీకు అంత టైం ఉండదు అవన్నీ చేయడానికి. దట్ ఈస్ ద జనరల్ థింగ్ దట్ పీపుల్ టోల్డ్ మీ. In fact, people told me when I shared that I have started a saree business, that connection ఏముంది దీనికి దానికి, that this is a very important thing. You have to comprehend with, you can do different 1,000 things and it does not have to connect.
Yeah.
Such feeling of joy. So do what you want to do. Do what you really feel good about, and they do not be connected. They need not be connected. I do mandala drawing. Does it have any connection with anything? No, actually.
All that, all the abundance that I have created in my life, and that I am, and also that I'm planning to create in my life in the future, everything, that the mindset and the basic seed started from you, and I am forever thankful for having you by my side. Baby thought of having a conversation with a mom, and this session ila cheyali ane chinna idea to start ayindi, and I think it was long before that I thought about this, and when I was little more, and finally this has become a thing, and I'm really happy that it's materializing into this. So we'll meet again, and thank you so much for coming, Amma. Okay, Amma.
Bye.